Hello and welcome to Home Decorny. If you've ever felt like your hallway is just a forgotten in-between space, it's time to see it in a whole new light. Designing a stylish and welcoming hallway might seem challenging at first, but trust us, this narrow passage has so much untapped potential waiting to be discovered. Imagine walking into your home and being greeted not by a dull corridor, but by a beautiful, thoughtfully designed space that sets the tone for everything beyond. Whether it's a lack of natural light or a tight layout, your hallway's limitations can actually become your design opportunities. In this video, we're sharing some of the most inspiring hallway ideas, ranging from smart storage solutions to stunning wall decor, unique flooring options, and expert-approved furniture picks. We've gathered advice from interior design pros and curated the very best looks to help you turn your hallway into a destination, not just a pathway. Why invest in hallway decor? Because it's the very first impression your guests receive, and the comforting welcome that greets you after a long day. Whether you're dreaming of something playful and vibrant or peaceful and minimal, we've got stylish hallway ideas to suit every taste. Looking to make a statement? Start with a bold console table or a sleek buffet, functional pieces that don't just serve a purpose, but make an impact. A hallway may be compact, but that doesn't mean it can't be powerful in style. Want to add visual interest without overwhelming the space? Patterned flooring in an all-white scheme brings subtle contrast and charm without taking up any extra room. Even a modern take on classic checkered tiles can completely transform the vibe, paying tribute to centuries-old design in a way that feels fresh and timeless. So, are you ready to reimagine your hallway and give it the attention it truly deserves? Let's explore together and find the perfect ideas to make your space unforgettable. To help your home make a grand entrance, think about how to make it modern. The traditional black and white pattern is swept for a gray and white design, giving a light and airy feel to the space. Alternatively, opt for marble slabs with specs patterns. For added interest, create a warm, rustic welcome. A hallway can feel like a hug with a snug and smart fittings and furnishings. In this space, blank pelling and brick flooring is softened with cohesions and seasonal flowers, SE out, and antique pinch and tea. With soft texture such as natural rug accents of color come from the dirty orange velvet. Kohan from Oka. Transform your hallway. Clever decorating ideas to turn this overlooked space into a showstopper. Don't let your hallway be just a pass-through space. It has the potential to be a stunning first impression. Start by introducing a smart runner to guide the eye through the length of the hall while adding both color and personality. A thoughtfully chosen runner not only breaks up the visual monotony, but also helps soften noise underfoot. Both stylish and practical. Even the smallest hallway can feel like a beautifully curated room when styled with intention. Think beyond just walls and doors. Add artwork, photos, or statement lighting to give the space its own identity. Be creative with wallpaper too. While it's common to use a darker tone below and a lighter one above, why not try the reverse for a bolder, more unexpected look? Take inspiration from contrasting wallpaper tones in the same design family to create cohesion with a twist. Match lower wallpaper hues to flooring tones like natural stone or tiles for a seamless, grounded look. And don't forget details. Paint your wainscoting or trim in coordinating shades to tie the whole scheme together beautifully. Hallways in modern homes often come with lower ceilings. To open up the space visually, embrace white or soft grays that reflect light and elevate the ceiling height. Want something a little warmer than brilliant white? A gentle gray offers that perfect balance. Elegant, calm, and endlessly versatile. For a polished look, paint both walls and woodwork in the same tone to create a unified, expansive feel. Most importantly, start thinking of your hallway as a room in its own right, not just a transitional zone. Once you highlight its architectural strengths, layer in personal touches, a gallery wall, a statement mirror, or bold lighting can all inject character. Whether you're working with a grand entryway or a narrow corridor, these hallway decorating ideas will help you create a space that feels welcoming, expressive, and unforgettable from the moment you step inside.